shna naka benta jonga. Make it for me. Nga jaito menta. I am lazy now. Shna tang shiteng. Make it half. Nga la samthia palan. I am feeling very sleepy. Ngam nang ban shna hi. I don't know how to make it by myself. Ngan shna la shai. I'll make it tomorrow. La shai ngam dan ra haying. Tomorrow I am not at home. Ngan hab len ban imei. I have to go with my mom. Yalam lang yanga. Take me with you. In sha I may. Mother will not give permission. Up kasawa ayu kata? Wait, what is that sound? Kadai kajing sawa. It is a sound. Jong ka leer of a wind. Kasawa kum uksud. It sound like a ghost. Na kadao kidieng kse. Due to pine trees. Long kum eryong. It is like a cyclone. What do kuslai? Don't worry. Satang shiphang la ja. After some time it will be gone.